Sewage smell from your sink can come from the drain, the overflow opening, or the plumbing beneath it. To find the source, begin with one simple water test. If the sink has not been used recently, run water for about a minute. The P-trap beneath the sink is designed to hold water and block sewer gas. When that water evaporates, odor can travel directly into the room. Refilling the trap may stop the smell. If the sink is used every day, close the drain and smell near the overflow opening. Soap residue, bacteria, and organic buildup can collect inside the overflow channel and create an odor that resembles sewage. Clean the opening using a suitable narrow brush and rinse it thoroughly according to the sink manufacturer's instructions. Next, inspect the cabinet. A loose connection or leaking P-trap can allow the water seal to escape. Look for moisture, staining, corrosion, or incorrectly aligned pipes. If the odor comes with gurgling, slow drainage, or changing water levels in nearby fixtures, a blocked plumbing vent or deeper drain obstruction may be pulling water out of the trap. Never combine bleach, vinegar, or drain cleaning products. Dangerous gases can form even when the products are added at different times. A smell that returns after cleaning and refilling the trap needs further inspection rather than fragrance. Where are you watching from? Tell us your city or country in the comments.